We all want passive income. You search YouTube for crypto trading bot. You find a video.
Make $1,000 a day with this ChatGPT MEV bot, they say. No coding needed.
Front-running the Mempool. The instructions are simple. Copy the code. Paste into Remix. Deploy. Fund it. You send 1 ETH to start the bot. You click Start. You wait for the profits. But the profits never come. Your 1 ETH is instantly transferred to the scammer's wallet. The code was obfuscated. That mess of numbers? It wasn't a trading algorithm. It was the hacker's address. If a bot could print money for free, why would they share it on YouTube? Think about it. Never run code you don't understand. Use a simulator like Tenderly to see what the start button really does. There is no cheat code for crypto. Profitable algos are secrets, not paste bins. Stay smart.